got glass bead media. I'm gonna turn the pressure down to, let's drop it down to around 30 pounds there. All right, let's see what that does. Make sure the detent goes into one of these detent grooves. I'm going to put it in the lock position. Okay, like that. Okay, I'm gonna replace all these bolts with new hardware. Got some grade 8 M8 by 125 thread pitch, and I have new washers. They're also M8. Okay, these are a little bit longer than the original, but I've already measured and they will fit, so it doesn't matter. To seal up the hub, I'm gonna use some Toyota FIPG. This is the 1281 Toyota FIPG, and that is a form in place gasket. It should be fine for this application. A little bit around there. Get the dowel pins into these holes. I don't know. Get the torque wrench set to 25 foot-pounds. This is gonna be a problem. Next, we're going to install the snap ring. These are snap ring pliers. These are not the right pliers, but they'll work for this job. we're going to replace these old screws with new ones. These are a 10 by 24 by 1/2 inch long. Alright, so there we go. That's the locking hubs, disassemble and reassembly. Follow along for more, like and subscribe, comment, and come back for more. Thanks.